Hey guys, it's Ash. The next sort of clip or video that you'll see is just vlogs of last week with me and my kids just mucking around, having fun and playing. I've got some photos of our Halloween looks in there. I didn't have time to film because we got home from school and then we mucked around, and by the time I had finished with the latex, I'd completely forgotten to film because we were just having a lot of fun. We also had truckload. I think we had about 10 people here and we all went trick-or-treating together. I've just got some stuff in the post, so I showed you that. And I'm going to share some special news with you guys. I'm actually going to set up and film properly with my actual camera. Hopefully tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. And I'm sorry we've been so slack, but it'll all make sense when you see my video. Probably will go up next Monday, which I don't even know what that date is. It's like the 12th or something like that. I think it's the 12th of November. We're also going camping, so I'm going to leave. We go camping on Friday afternoon, so I will get some clips of that as well. And I'm filming on Thursday afternoon because it's Year 10 and Year 12 formal or graduation time. I've got a couple of makeups to do for that, so I'm hoping I can film one look because the girl that I'm doing, her mum is one of my best friends. So if I can get permission from her mum, I will also film that look for you. Enjoy it. Have fun laughing at my crazy children. They have been hilarious the last couple of days. My husband's away. He's in Creswell at the moment doing some assessments on some young sailors. So it's just me and the boys, and we're just cruising around. But we have got a lot on. And like I said, that will all come to light once the next video goes up. So it's probably not making much sense to you now, but it will, I promise. Have a great day. If you want to see some goofy clips of us playing and some photos of Halloween, then just keep on watching. Bye. What is it? It's not a pimple, it's a mole.
I did.
Oliver just told me that I needed to squeeze this. It's not a pimple, it's a mole. Stop it. You're a maniac.
Look at me, Mum. Look at my face.
I can see, but I need a knife, please.
Sharp one?
That didn't even scare you. Oh, Jim. When you're bored and your cat does not care what you do to her. Because she's so fat. Oh, there she goes. Hi, kitty. You're a weird cat. Oh, God.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah. I did. Hee hee. Hee hee. Hee hee. Hee hee.
What's the matter, bub?
Oh, I'll tell you why, Mum. You try to scare him.
You mean I didn't succeed?
I can't see!
Misty, what are you doing, Sultana Belly? Oh, the favourite thing. Oh, kisses, thank you. When you have a cat that thinks it's a dog. She didn't even put her claws out. You're so fat you can't even get up. Yes. Should we go? Where you going? Don't do that. Misty. Yeah, hi. Oh, so little girl. So tiny belly. So tiny belly. Hi. Hello. I'm gonna see if I can scare the boys. Look at this carpet. Because the cat has chewed it.
Okay.
She's so
I'm gonna go to the toilet now. What? I'm gonna try and find the one with...
What happened? Misty, Mickey, Scout.
That's what's for husband, that's what's inside. Mommy, what's for the house?
Oh, in a minute. Look at this fur. Scout, I vacuumed today. Hey, look how green that grass is. I got your brother.
I know.
Oh, what do you think you're doing? Hello.
Yeah, he did.
Are you right, Tom?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Really?
That's what's for house.
You maniac. What are you doing, Thomas? I just got something in the mail. I'm so excited. Nakia Joy, you made me buy it. Oh, it's hard to do this with one hand. Oh, I'm gonna have to put you down for a sec. Oh. I got two things to try from Glam Raider, which is very quickly becoming my favourite place to buy things off. I got the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation to try. It's hidden in there. This is what I'm most excited about. BH Cosmetics. Oh. I swear once you have children, you should grow an extra arm. Royal Affairs palette. I cannot wait to try this. I have a makeup to do on Thursday afternoon and I'm going to use it on her. If I get her permission, I'll actually film, but we'll do some swatches in a second so you can see. All the other previous things that you've seen in this video is just me goofing around with the kids. And I'll put some Halloween looks, slide like pictures in as well. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm watching the drama channel. It's very interesting. If you are interested, look up Ashley Kyle. It's spelled A-S-H-L-Y-E, Kyle, K-Y-L-E. She does drama and makeup and she is really, really good. So these are the colours. Oh, that's me. Hi. I'm going to use this one on the girl that I'm doing the makeup on because she wants like a silver smoking look and she's wearing like a baby blue dress. And this one here, when you first look at it, it kind of looks white. Oh, that's a bad way to do a swatch. It's like blue. Shimmery, almost like a blue. But this colour is the one I really wanted to try. Just swirl my finger around in there for a minute. That's the silver. Look at that. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to use it. I'll do a proper video with all the swatches and things. Nakia Joy got this. She put a video up a couple of days of, she's my favourite Aussie YouTuber. It actually feels really luxe and sort of heavy. It's a beautiful palette. She's a really good YouTuber. She doesn't muck around. She gives honest opinions. Most of the stuff that she recommends is amazing. So that Royal Affair eyeshadow palette was $27 and the Wet n Wild foundation was $12. I had to pay $9 for shipping, but still $48, and most foundations are like $37. That's from a drugstore in Australia. So Glam Raider, that's it there. Get on and check it out. It is amazing. I am going to film in a little while. Get the kids from school. They've got swimming, and we've got some pretty big news, so I am going to film when I get home tonight. I will see you soon. Bye.